Hello students, in this video we are going to learn about aldehydes and ketones. Let us see nomenclature. The common name of aldehydes are derived from names of corresponding carboxylic acid by replacing IC by aldehyde. The IUPAC name of aldehydes given by replacing E from corresponding alkane by Al. For example, HCHO. The common name is formaldehyde and IUPAC name is methanol. The common name of ketone is obtained by naming two groups that are attached to carbonyl carbon followed by word ketone, and IUPAC name is given by replacing E from corresponding alkane by ONE. For example, CH3CO C2H5. Its common name is ethyl methyl ketone and IUPAC name is 2-butanone. These are the methods of preparation of aldehydes and ketones. Let us see first method, that is oxidation. Primary alcohols can be oxidized to form aldehydes and secondary alcohols can be oxidized to give ketones. The oxidizing agents used in these reactions is sodium or potassium dichromate acidified with dilute sulfuric acid. When vapors of alcohols are passed over copper at 300 degrees Celsius, it undergoes dehydrogenation, that is loss of hydrogen. Primary alcohol on catalytic dehydrogenation gives aldehyde while secondary alcohol gives ketone. Third method is ozonolysis of alkene. Ozonolysis with O3 converts alkene into carbonyl compounds. For example, ozonolysis of 2-pentene gives acetaldehyde and propanaldehyde, while ozonolysis of 2-methyl-2-butene will give both aldehydes and ketones. Alkenes can be hydrated by addition of water in presence of mercuric sulfate to yield Markovnikov product followed by aldehyde and ketone. For example, ethine react with dilute sulfuric acid and mercuric sulfate to give ethanol. This is the only reaction giving aldehyde by reaction of alkyne hydration. The hydration of propyne gives acetone. Aldehydes can be obtained by alkaline hydrolysis of geminal dihalides, in which two halogen atoms are bonded to terminal carbon atom. For example, hydrolysis of dichloroethane gives acetaldehyde. Ketones are obtained by alkaline hydrolysis of geminal dihalides, in which two halogen atoms are not attached to terminal carbon atom. For example, hydrolysis of dichloropropane gives acetone. Dry distillation of calcium salt of carboxylic acid gives either aldehyde or ketone. For example, calcium acetate when heated at 400 degrees Celsius produce acetone and calcium carbonate. Aldehydes and ketones gives oxidation reactions, reduction reactions and nucleophilic addition reactions. Aldehydes are easily oxidized to carboxylic acid while ketones are not oxidized easily. Aldehydes can be oxidized by dichromates and permanganates. Acetaldehyde on oxidation gives acetic acid. Oxidation of ketones require breaking of carbon-carbon bond and takes place only under vigorous condition. For example, oxidation of 2-butanone in presence of nitric acid gives 2 molecules of carboxylic acid. Aldehydes can be reduced to primary alcohol and ketones can be reduced to secondary alcohol, either by catalytic dehydrogenation or by using lithium aluminum hydride. Aldehydes and ketones undergoes nucleophilic addition reaction. Aldehydes are more reactive and readily undergoes nucleophilic addition reaction as compared to ketone. In case of ketones, two large substituents are present in the structure which cause steric hindrance. Aldehydes and ketones undergoes reaction with HCN to produce cyanohydrines. When sodium bisulfite adds to aldehyde and ketone, then it gives bisulfite addition product. Ammonia adds readily to many aldehydes to form ammonia adducts. For example, acetaldehyde when react with ammonia, it gives acetaldehyde ammonia. When two molecules of acetone react with ammonia, it gives acetone ammonia. When Grignard reagent react with formaldehyde, gives primary alcohol. Grignard reagent react with aldehyde other than formaldehyde, the reaction will produce secondary alcohol. Ketones react with Grignard reagent will produce tertiary alcohol. Aldehydes and ketones can be reduced to hydrocarbons by the action of amylated zinc and concentrated hydrochloric acid, known as Clemenson's reduction. The Wolff-Kishner reduction is an organic reaction used to convert aldehyde and ketone to alkane using hydrazine and base like NaOH. Thank you.